Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I want to share with you some embellishments that I created using the camera die by GlobleLand. I will have their information linked down below, as well as the link to the actual camera that I used. You can stop by there. They do sell dies, stamps, and paper supplies. So anything that you're looking for your crafting needs, I'm sure you'll be able to find it there. So let me just go ahead and show you what the die looks like. And as you can see, you do get a lot of accessories with this. So let me get right into the embellishments that I made, and the accessories that I used for decorating these with, they came from Hobby Lobby and Joann's. But this piece here was part of the set. So isn't that so stinking cute? I love how that turned out. And let me show you another set that I created with these parakeets. So cute. And of course you already know that I'm loving this paper. And then this is another set here. So stinking cute. And then we have these two here. There we go. And then the last two. Look at that. So cute. Those Hobby Lobby girls are so cute. So again, this came from GlobleLand. This is the camera die set, and you can use my discount code where you can take $5 off a purchase of 40 by using TYS5. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know that I definitely appreciate it. Until the next video, bye-bye.